So welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can see, this platform right here is called the Aliexpress. Now with this platform, guys, it's actually similar to Amazon, but on this platform you could get everything right here at a cheap rate. This is a platform which you could get virtually anything, just like on Amazon right now. As you can see, you could get up to 70% off to explore your favorite deals right now. As you can actually keep on scrolling through, you can see that you could get products for just $2, $1, $4, some for just simply 99 cents right now, and that's absolutely cheap and amazing. Imagine getting these cool hoodies for just $4.54. That's also very quite cheap and also a giveaway price right now. So keep on scrolling through and you're going to see some cool and amazing products you can actually purchase. But what I'm going to be focusing on in this video is how you can actually go on to registering to become an affiliate on this particular program or platform called the Aliexpress.com. And I'm also going to walk you through how to make money and cool strategies that you could utilize to make money as an affiliate on this particular platform. Now before we go further into the video, if you're actually looking for my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can check out the first link in the description of the video. It's going to lead you right now to this amazing page where you can see much more details about that recommendation, and I do advise you check that out and take advantage of that. So jumping right back into the video right now, if you're going to checking out Amazon, we all know how Amazon actually works and how cool that actually is. Now if you want to register for the Aliexpress affiliate program, you just need to scroll down to the bottom section. Now if I do scroll down to the bottom section, you can see this option right here which says affiliate program. Select that option right now, and that's going to actually lead you to this particular page right here. And as you can see on this page, you can actually go on to promoting, earn and grow with the Aliexpress affiliate program. Now if you can actually go on to doing the Amazon affiliate program also, maybe you could actually do the register to become an Amazon associate, or you can just simply utilize the Amazon FBA, which is the fulfillment service for your e-commerce business. This is a very cool platform which you could also leverage. Now a lot of people are actually leveraging Aliexpress to get things at a cheap rate and go to selling that on Amazon at a much more expensive rate, of which you're actually going to be making a lot of profit. And I'm going to show you how to do that right there previously. Now if you actually do go on to see much more details on the Aliexpress affiliate platform, you can see that you could get up to 150 million plus affiliated products as at 2022, and you could earn up to 9% basic commission rate, which could actually go up to a 90% for hot products. That's absolutely amazing. And if you do go on to comparing that with the Amazon affiliate commissions, you can see that for some product right here, you're actually going to be earning about 20% commission, 10%, but I think 20% is actually the highest. For some products you'll be earning just 1%, 2%, and a lot more other smaller percentage. But if you compare that to the Aliexpress affiliate commission, you'll be actually earning a lot more higher right there. So you can see how cool that actually is. Now if I actually do go on to taking a look at this product right here on Aliexpress, you can see that this product is actually a kind of illuminated globe, and this is actually being sold for $24 right now on Aliexpress. Now if you go to checking that on Amazon right now, you can see that it's also an illuminated globe of a different color, but this is actually being sold for $62 or $64 right now. Now you can see the profit margin right there between that of Aliexpress and that of Amazon right here, in the sense that the person that is actually going on to purchasing this product on Aliexpress can actually go back to Amazon and sell the product right there at a much more expensive rate and make up to $40 profit from just this single product. That's absolutely a huge traffic or a huge profit margin right there that you can just simply leverage. Now you can actually go on to doing something quite similar to that right there on this platform, or you may just want to just simply stick on with the Amazon or the Aliexpress affiliate marketing. Now to do so right now, guys, like I said, if you actually do go on to clicking or go back to this particular section, you can see much more details on the Aliexpress affiliate marketing. And the cool thing about the Aliexpress is that they actually go on to giving you some cooler tutorials that can help you grow. On Aliexpress, you can actually get a wealth of promo ideas and activities. You could also gain access to a system to help new affiliate publishers grow. Now that's absolutely amazing. You get tutorial videos right there that can help you grow, unlike in Amazon that they just leave that to you yourself and go on to expecting you to go on to making money and promote your offers yourself. Now AliExpress actually goes on to showing you the skills and the ropes which you can actually need to pull to get this done. Now you can actually do see that you get access to some tools and data to help you and further help and feedback. That's absolutely amazing. You could earn money right now in 4 simple steps. The first step is to choose a product and get a tracking link for that product. The second step is to promote that product on any platform of your choice. And the third one is to actually bring more traffic and orders to AliExpress, and you do get to get paid commissions right now from shoppers and others. That's absolutely cool. Now to sign up to the platform, click on register. You're going to be brought to this page where you can sign up just by inserting your email address, or you could sign up with Google, Facebook, Twitter or Apple. Now once you actually do sign up and fill out your details right here, which you'll be asked right now, you may actually need to go on to verifying your email address right there. So you'll be sent an email to your email address of which you need to verify, and you can actually do fill out all these details right here. You can see that the fields actually having the red asterisk signs are the most important field you must fill out before an account can be created on this platform. So just simply focus on that. Take out about 2 minutes of your time, fill the form appropriately, and go on to getting your account created, after which your registration will actually be under review by the AliExpress, of which if your registration actually passes the review stage, you can then just simply become an affiliate for AliExpress and start making some cool cash right there by getting cool and amazing affiliate link to any product on AliExpress and go on to selling that. Now once you actually go on to getting your links, now the main deal is how to promote such links or how to make money with such links. Now you could actually go on to taking advantage of platforms right here like TikTok. Now if you see TikTok right now, a lot of people are actually doing some cool stuff, because if you search for TikTok made me buy it, you can see people are actually creating some cool and amazing video content. Now on this video content right here are actually attention grabbing or eye catchy. Maybe you could actually go on to checking out this video right now. You can actually go on to seeing out more details about the video right here. I'm just going to wait for this to load up. Now take a look at this video right here, guys. As you can see, this is how the video actually looks like. Now you can see that most of this video are actually having some kind of eye-catchy scenes that are going to make people stick on and watch to the end. So you may want to just simply get the video right now about such kinds of products, and if you do work on the video in that product, your face does not actually need to show. Just simply create some amazing videos about the product and upload that. Now you may actually just simply want to go on to checking out the account right here that's actually uploading this. You actually find out that the account is actually having a link in the bio right now. As you can see, this is actually a link in the bio for their product. Now that's absolutely amazing. You could also leverage the same strategy and utilize that, guys, to go on to getting people to this bio of their account, for them to actually click on the link right now, and that link is going to lead them to a lot of AliExpress products you're actually having right there, and you can actually just simply go to utilizing that to make money right now. So this is a very cool strategy you could leverage for any video you actually make. Make sure you actually do add the product to that particular link in the bio of your account. Now you can actually just simply go to checking out how cool such kind of videos actually are. You can see most of their videos are actually getting a lot of engagement. This one has 12 million views. This is actually 19 million views, and you can check how cool they actually are. So you may actually want to just simply leverage a strategy that is already working, an existing strategy, and utilize that also to make some cool cash. Now you can actually go on to checking out this platform right here called the Pinterest.com. Now Pinterest is absolutely an amazing platform that you could leverage also, because on Pinterest you're actually going to get in, or the platform actually gets about 1 billion visits every single month. Based on similar web statistics right now, if you analyze Pinterest, you will actually find that Pinterest got about 3.524 billion visits in just the last 3 months right there. That means it gets about 1.15 billion visits as average every single month right there. That's a huge amount of traffic, and most of its traffic comes from the United States. You also need to note that most of Pinterest traffic right now, about 72% of Pinterest traffic are actually women or actually female. Meaning that, guys, it will be quite much more advisable to promote products that are easily purchasable by females. So once you actually do go on to getting a very cool image or cool video right now that you can actually go on to utilizing on Pinterest, as you can see, this one right here is just a simple image right now, and people are actually utilizing that to click on the link to go on to this particular link right there that is going to take them to purchasing that product. And if they do that, guys, if you are actually utilizing this strategy as an affiliate marketer for AliExpress, you're going to be making some cool cash also. So you just need to actually grab an image or video that's actually going to make people stop and say something like whoa, and we're going to watching the video to the end, and they can actually go on to checking out that link. Now such kinds of video are actually going to help you get a lot of traffic. Now you can see how cool this actually is. This is a video that people can easily go on to watching to the end right there. So that's actually amazing, guys, and you can just simply try out the strategies which I showed you right there in this video to earn money with this platform called the Aliexpress.com. Now if actually, like I said, you can actually check out my #1 recommendation to making money online just by checking out the first link in the description of the video. It's going to lead you right now to this amazing course which you can check out yourself, and you're going to see how amazing that is. Now don't forget to hit the like button to the video right now. Don't also forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell on all so that you always get alerted whenever I release some videos to help boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.